Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Groww account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in groww.in. Once you end up in the official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then click on Login or Register option. Here, if you want to continue with the email address associated with Google, then click on Continue with Google option. Otherwise, click on Continue with Other email option. Now type in your email address. Tap the Next button. Then you'll get an OTP in the email address that you have entered. Now tap on Enter. Here you'll have to enter a strong password consisting of a number, symbol and upper or lowercase letter. Then click on Submit button. And that is how you can log into Groww account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.